tongue. Are you ready to be letter heroes? Great! Today we have a really special letter. Our letter today is a vowel. Vowels are the hardest workers. Every word has to have a vowel. Our vowel today is the letter E. Can you say E? Great job! This is an uppercase E. Say uppercase E. And this is a lowercase e. Say lowercase e. Great job. Let's practice saying that a few more times. Ready? Uppercase e. Lowercase e. Let's try it again. I'm going to mix them up. Lowercase e. Uppercase e. Let's do it once more. Uppercase e and lowercase e. Great job. E is special because it makes two sounds. E makes a long sound, the sound E, and a short sound, the sound eh. We're going to practice making those sounds. First, let's practice making the letter E's long sound. The letter E's long sound is its name, E. Watch my mouth as I make that sound. My tongue goes forward and touches my bottom teeth. Watch me make that sound. E. Notice my mouth goes back just a little bit on the sides. Try it with me. E. Nice job. Let's look at some things that begin with the E sound. Ready? This is a special bird. It's called an eagle. Can you say eagle? Great. And this is an eraser. Can you say eraser? Eraser. Great job. Eagle and eraser make the long E sound. Now we're going to practice the short E sound. The short E sound says ah. Watch my mouth. Notice my chin drops down. My tongue stays in the middle. Ready? Ah. It comes up just a little bit. Try it with me. Short E says eh, eh. Great job. Let's look at some things that begin with the short E sound. The first thing I have is an egg. Can you say that with me? Egg. Egg. Great. The next thing I have is a cup, but it's empty. Can you say empty? Empty begins with the eh sound. Empty. Great job, friends. Long E says E and short E says eh. Let's go searching for the letter E. Ready? Think about what it looks like. This is an uppercase E and this is a lowercase e. I'm going to search with my magnifying glass in our sentence. Let's read it first. Read with me. The elegant means graceful. The elegant eagle sits on the egg. Did you see any uppercase or lowercase e's? Great. As I search with my magnifying glass, if you see one, tell me to stop, and I'll highlight it. Let's get started. Here's our first word. The. I heard you say stop. That's right. There's a lowercase e at the end of the word the. I'll highlight it. Let's keep searching. Elegant. You said stop again. That's right. I see two e's in elegant. Let's get both of them. Here's a lowercase e. And there's another one. Let's keep searching. The elegant eagle. There's two e's in eagle too. I heard you say stop. Great job. Eagle begins with the long E sound, and it also has an E at the end of the word. It starts and ends with E. Let's get both of those lowercase e's. Time to keep searching. Sits. No E there. On. No E in on. The. There's an E at the end of the. Did you say stop? Good work. Let's highlight it. Here's our last word in our sentence. Sound it out with me. Egg. I heard the short E sound, did you? Egg begins with the short E sound. Egg. Let's highlight it. Readers, can you help me count the E's in our sentence today? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We found 7 E's in our sentence today. Let's read our sentence one more time. Read with me. The elegant eagle sits on the egg. Great job. Readers and writers, now it's time to practice writing the letter E. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? Great. Let's get started. We'll begin by making an uppercase E. Let's practice skywriting it. Watch me skywrite an uppercase E. We start at the top and do big line down. Then jump back up to the top, do little line out, jump to the middle, little line out, and jump to the bottom, little line out. That's an uppercase E. Watch me trace it with my finger. Big line down, jump back up, little line out, jump to the middle, little line out, jump to the bottom, little line out. It's time to write our uppercase E. Remember, we start at the top. Big line down, jump back up, little line out, jump to the middle, little line out, and jump to the bottom, little line out. There's an uppercase E. Let's make another one. Start at the top, big line down, jump back up, little line out, jump to the middle, little line out, jump to the bottom, little line out. Uppercase E. Great job. Now, let's practice making lowercase e. Watch me skywrite it. Try skywriting it with me. Notice this time we start in the middle of the dotted line and the bottom line. It looks like this. Start in the middle, little line out, curve up and around. That's a lowercase e. Watch me trace it with my finger. I start right here in the middle. Little line out, up and around. Let's practice writing it. Watch where I start. I start in the middle. Little line out, up and around. Lowercase e. Let's do one more. Start in the middle. Little line out, up and around. Lowercase e. Great job today, friends. We learned about one of the hardest workers, the vowel E. Great job today.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by viewers like you. Thank you.